Good day, I'm Tiger, the sales manager of Wohe Company. The company is located in Baidu City, Hebei Province, 130 kilometers from the capital, Beijing, 120 kilometers from Tianjin Port. Wohe is a 10-year high-tech enterprises and manufacturer in household electric appliances research and development, covering 30,000 square meters. Wohe is an OEM and ODM pioneer in the industry with standard workplace, bracing 6 automatic production lines. The catalog covers major series, for example, household chopper, non-noise high-speed blender, AI duff maker, and so on. Especially, the 6-blade system and bionic duff mixture have been titled 10 national patents. More than 20,000 sales items are assembled per day, with daily revenue over 2,000 RMB. High quality test is a vitality for Wohe. For example, Wohe has his own high-end, advanced, strict test equipment. For example, 200-hour endurance test, 3,075 high voltage insulation test, and burn-in test for every product prior to sale. Science and technology innovation is a major productivity. Wohe is a multifunctional enterprise. The integrity of research and development, model development, assembling, and manufacture, which has employed 20 design engineers and 200 skilled technicians, spending more than 5,000 RMB on technical innovation all over the world. Globalization is flourishing. International standard is the one for Wohe. Through 10 years striving, Wohe items has been titled CE, CB, ISO 9000, National 3C, and Food Grade Test certificates. 40% of the items have been on popular sale in Asia, Europe, America, and Africa. As the internet grows, the collaboration of online and offline marketing has been the essential approach for the modernization of Wohe. The domestic e-commerce team revenue has increased for continuing 3 years by 120. The Wohe international marketing nets have embraced the mainstream platforms such as Amazon, Lazada, and Alibaba, with annual revenue exceeding 120 million yuan in 2024. Coffee is for the closest, and the innovation is endless. Wohe is devoting itself to the research and development, manufacture, marketing, design, and OEM as a whole, with the assistance of professional after-sales service team. Customer demands its orientation for Wohe, and it is enhancing its comprehensive ability to satisfy every client. I'm Tiger. On behalf of Wohe Company, sincerely welcome friends worldwide for an actual visitation in Wohe Company. Hearty communication and cooperate in a wonderful future. Badu City is a wonderful, nice city, beautiful, with very hearty people. And also, Wohe Company is a high-tech, hearty, sincere to every client from all over the world. Thank you.